In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Battle Fortress and Last Z Survival Shooter. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to obtain the Battle Fortress and Last Z, you need to achieve 8 million power within the first 7 days of starting the game. This exclusive HQ decoration offers significant boosts, including increased troop attack, enhanced hero XP gains, and improved Zent yield. Now, the steps to unlock this Battle Fortress is, as I said earlier, reach 8 million power in 7 days. So what you should do is focus on rapidly increasing your power through building upgrades, troop training, hero leveling, and research. Also by upgrading your headquarters here. So advancing your HQ unlocks new features that allow for higher building levels, contributing significantly to your overall power. Also join an active alliance. So being part of an alliance provides benefits like construction speed ups, access to alliance tech, and additional resources, all aiding in faster in-game progression. And the last one here is to utilize speed ups and resource packs wisely. So efficient use of speed up items and resource packs can accelerate your development and help you reach the power threshold within the time limit.